Hello friends, this is Maria here, and this is the last episode about the creation of my journal Celebrate. As I've been telling you, I'm going to Italy, and this journal is going to be with me all the time because I want to have a place to keep all my memories, to write my thoughts and my feelings during this trip, which I'm taking to Italy in this vacation 2023. As we saw in the previous video, I already have all the covers from the inner part or cover with scrapbooking paper. I choose this amazing and colorful one, and I'm gonna do the cover with fabric. I bought this fabric from Michael's. I love it because I really I am into nature. I love bees, I love flowers. I know the hard work bees do for us in our planet. So I decided to use this fabric for the outermost part of my journal. So as you can see here, this is actually very simple because you just need to measure and to glue and cut. Just trim all the excess, and I'm telling you, you can do it separately, like for every part of your cover and spine, or you can do it complete, like you can just wrap the whole cover. I decided to do separate, so I am going to do the back, the front, and then the spine. This is gonna be giving the journal a nice finishing touch. So as you can see, I love to draw hearts with the glue because I feel like it's gonna stay forever inside the cover, and anything I do that needs glue, I always like write words or draw hearts. I like to do it, and it gives me a feeling and a sense of love and eternity. Or to make sure that your measurements are exact, and you're going to be cutting and trimming your cover really straight. I want to also remind you that the previous video is here. I'm gonna link it down below in the box. In that video you can see step by step how did I build this amazing signatures with this amazing spine. So as you can see here, probably the measurements and the finishing touch of the cover is going to take a little bit, but it's worth it because you're going to make sure that you have the perfect measurements. It is always good and nice to build a journal, especially when you have a lot of memories or an event or an occasion in your life in which you want to keep those memories, probably to share with somebody else or to keep it for you. Every time I open my old journals that I've been building in the previous years, I'm just like immersed in a different situation in that moment that I was living at that time, and it is always nice to remember. Also, you can share your journal, especially from a trip, with your family and friends, with your kids, because it's full of memories. And if you don't have any private information there, you can like enjoy telling them stories about the moment or the place you visit, or what can I say, or the way you build your journal, like I'm doing in this video. And I can't wait to start decorating this journal before I start gluing and writing inside of it. Well, and now I'm almost done with my journal and with this amazing cover. The only thing you need to do at the end is just to make sure that the fabric is very nice. You can trim the excess on the borders, and if you have a sewing machine, you can always go around and do a nice pattern with your sewing machine. I don't have one, so I'm just gonna go and leave it like this with the glue, and I consider that this is complete. So now I'm gonna put all the parts together, and I'm using glue again, and of course I'm gonna be helping the cover to dry with some clips, and probably I need to stick inside a thick book, because that is going to allow me to have my cover straight, so it's not going to be slanted or falling down because of the thick spine. So as you can see here, I'm going to stick a thick book inside, and I'm going to let it dry for probably 24 hours, adding a couple of books on top of it. Also, I want you to remember that this building of this amazing journal has 4 parts. This is part 4, so I invite you to look at the 3 previous parts, part 1, part 2, and part 3, so you can have step by step all the things I did to have this amazing journal finished. And as part of the last thing I want to do for this journal is that on the first page, I want to write this quote. I had it for a long time, but I think this is the perfect moment and the right place to have this quote written. So that's going to be the first page of my journal. It says, "Your path is clear. The way will be shown. Choose to allow for new paths to be explored." And I'm going to write down today's date, that is June the 6th, 2023. And tomorrow I'm going to be taking my plane to these amazing adventures in order to celebrate. That's why I named this journal Celebrate. Thank you for being here, and never forget to be creative. It's a matter of believing in yourself, starting a project, and don't look around, don't look back. Just focus on what you want to have, and you'll be amazed when you see the incredible things you're going to be able to create. I see you soon in my next episode, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Bye, friends.